Welcome, Sándor. You are a diplomat with a long period of career in government relations. So how come you got connected with public relations, and what is your connection with public relations?
Firstly, thank you so much for the warm welcome. It's a pleasure to be here at IBS. I have been a professional diplomat for 13 years, and then actually it's very interesting because PR, public relations and diplomacy are really something that are two very similar subjects and disciplines, given that diplomats also represent big brands. They project the image of their own countries that are themselves huge brands. You have, a battle of narratives in the world of diplomacy where a good diplomat needs to win. So I believe there's a lot in common between diplomacy and PR. Of course, the more shiny, the more glittery side of PR is with the corporate guys, the corporate sector, and we are somehow, working in the shadow, but it's pretty much the same trade.
I see. And as for social media, do you think that social media is a new technique, a new tool, or a whole new game?
Whole new game seems to be a very good description. Actually, I would go as far as saying that it's the new reality. We live in the digital age. There was talk of the digital divide for the past decade, but it seems that nowadays anyone who has a smartphone or an internet access has become a social media manager. Social media does affect public relations. I will be talking about the advantages, the pros, and also the flip side of this new reality, of this quest of the digital age, so to say. Social media does affect the face of PR, and there's a great terminology that I like to use from the language of academia, which is social media relations. Now, this is why I'm here. This is what I'm going to talk about
today. Yes. So here's my last question. Can I ask you what your message is to my students, IBS students, and why did you accept the invitation to come here today?
It was a very easy decision to make, given that IBS is a huge brand itself. One of the most prestigious, oldest, and one of the best business schools in Hungary. It is also well known abroad. During my tour of duties abroad, I've come to experience that there is a great interest from foreign countries, from students to come here to study. And well, what is my message? Is to study hard, but also get to know this country, get to know us, and be good ambassadors for the IBS brand.
How nice. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.